Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to send email on Google Form submission. I want those who submit my Google Form, they must receive one dedicated email. So first of all, you have to create one Google Form. So as you can see, this is the one Google Form that I have created for my audience. Now for sending a notification, you have to add add-ons. Now from where you can add add-ons, let me show you. Click on this three dot icon and click on add-ons. Here if you go down, you will find one option by the name form notification. Just select this option, click on install, continue, and then click on allow. Done. Now close it. Now once you have installed the add-ons, here you will get a new option by the name add-ons. Just select this option, click on form notification, click on open. Now here you can choose whether you want a notification when someone fill a form. So if you want, you can enable this option, but I don't want this. And we want to send a thank you email. Alright, so I'm selecting this option, thank you email, and that is automatically. And this is the subject of your email. If you want, you can customize it. And this is the body of your email. Thank you for responding to our form. If you want, you can add custom message. For example, I am sending mail to all of my students for joining a meeting, right? So here I can enter my Zoom meeting ID. Now once you fill your email body, click on save configuration. And that's it. Now let's close it. And I am going to fill one form. Now here I am going to enter my email address. Now my contact information has been submitted successfully, right? Now let's see whether I have received the email or not. For that, let's go to our email ID. And as you can see, I have got a successful confirmation email. Thank you for responding to our form. Here is the meeting ID, here is the passcode, right? And here is the also link to join the meeting. So guys, this is all about today. I hope you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.